finally awake. Let's just do my bed. Done. Mom? Mom? You there? Maybe she's just still sleeping. Let's go grab my outfit for today. Stupid hanger gets stuck. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna wear this today. Let's go change and then I'll go wake up Mom. I bet she's just sleeping. Now it's time for hair. Mom? What? Maybe I'm just hallucinating. Mom, are you awake? Let's just do my hair and wake up my mom, or wherever she is. Okay, now it's time to wake up my mom. Well, at least I hope she's in her room. Mom? Mom! Wait, what's that on her bed? Is that blood? Oh my god. Oh my god. She's not in the kitchen. She's not in the bathroom. I don't think I should have ignored that note. Milk call. Ooh, I got a letter. To Sarah McRose from Anonymous. Let's open this letter up to see what it really is. Dear Sarah, this letter is a warning. If you don't find 9 clues in 9 days, saying if you don't find 9 clues in 9 days, you and everyone in your life will be gone. Psh, sure. Someone's trying to scare me. Let's just continue on. Everyone, as in my mom, my best friends, probably starting from the most important person, which is my mom. I need to call Allison and warn her and try to say, help me. Oh my God. Allison.